Hello guys, so you might probably know me from a video called How to Deep Clean Your PS4, right? Well, I'm actually going to do that tomorrow, but I want to show you what the extension tools you're going to need. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! So first you're going to need a screwdriver. Not like this one, but any screwdriver will work. You need these exclusive ones. These ones, which are very important by the way, and you need a timer. So don't worry, you cannot break your PS4. You just gotta follow these steps easily and you cannot break it. Alright? And don't worry, the PS4 is just $300, $500. Don't worry, you cannot break it. Cut that out, editor. Please cut that out. Alright, editor, can you please cut that out?